Hey there, science fans! Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of computer networks. Have you ever sent an email across the world and wondered how it arrived so fast? It's almost like magic, but there's a lot of science behind it. Or streamed a movie from another country. The seamless experience is thanks to a complex web of technology working tirelessly in the background. We live in a global village, instantly connected by a network of computers. This interconnectedness allows us to share information, communicate, and access resources from anywhere in the world. But what makes this incredible communication possible? What are the building blocks that enable such rapid and reliable data exchange? It all starts with the physical layer. This is the most fundamental layer of the network, responsible for the actual transmission of data. This is the foundation of computer networks, the bedrock upon which we build our digital world. Without a solid physical layer, none of the higher level functions would be possible. Think of it as the roads, bridges, and tunnels of the internet. These pathways are essential for data to travel from one point to another. Without them, our data wouldn't have anywhere to go. The physical layer ensures that our information reaches its destination accurately and efficiently. In this adventure, we'll explore the fascinating world of the physical layer. We'll delve into the components and technologies that make it all possible. We'll uncover how it transforms our data into signals that travel at lightning speed. These signals traverse various mediums, such as copper wires, fiber optics, and even wireless channels. Get ready to dive into the nuts and bolts of networking. We'll break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand segments, making the intricate world of the physical layer accessible to everyone. From the cables that run under our streets to the satellites orbiting above, every element plays a crucial role. So, buckle up and prepare to be amazed by the technology that powers our connected world. Join us as we meet the engineers and visit the data centers that keep our digital lives running smoothly. This is more than just technology, it's the backbone of our modern society. And as we look to the future, we'll see how advancements in the physical layer continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, paving the way for even more incredible innovations in communication. So, what exactly is the physical layer? It's a fundamental concept in networking that often goes unnoticed, but is crucial for the entire system to function. It's the lowest layer in the Open Systems Interconnection, or OSI, model, which is a conceptual framework used to understand and implement network protocols in 7 layers. This model helps us break down the complex process of networking into more manageable parts, making it easier to troubleshoot and develop new technologies. The OSI model is like a layer cake, with each layer serving a specific purpose. Each layer builds upon the one below it, adding more functionality and complexity. The physical layer's primary function is the foundation of this layer cake, to transmit raw data bits over a physical medium. This means it handles the actual hardware connections like cables and switches that make network communication possible. It takes our digital ones and zeros and transforms them into electrical or optical signals that can travel through wires, cables, or even the air. Without this layer, the higher layers wouldn't be able to function, as there would be no way to physically move data from one place to another. Let's use a real-world example to understand the physical layer's importance. Imagine the physical layer as the foundation of a building. Without a strong foundation, the entire structure would be unstable. Similarly, without a robust physical layer, our network communications would be unreliable. Imagine you want to send a postcard to a friend. You start by writing a heartfelt message on the card, something that conveys your thoughts and feelings. After writing your message, you carefully address the card with your friend's details and stick on a postage stamp to ensure it can be delivered. The physical layer is like the postal system that delivers your postcard. It handles the actual transportation of the card from your hands to your friend's mailbox. It doesn't care about the content of your message. The postal system doesn't read your postcard, it just ensures it gets to the right place. Its job is to transport the physical card from your location to your friend's mailbox. The journey might involve various steps, like sorting and routing, but the end goal is delivery. Similarly, the physical layer in computer networks doesn't interpret the data being sent. It doesn't understand the content of the data packets. It simply ensures the reliable transmission of bits from one point to another. Just like the postal system, it focuses on the accurate and timely delivery of data, making sure that the information reaches its intended destination without errors. The physical layer is absolutely crucial for network communication. Without it, the other layers in the OSI model wouldn't have a physical medium to transmit data. Think of it like building a house. The physical layer is the foundation. You can't build walls, windows, or a roof without a solid base. Similarly, all other networking functions rely on the physical layer's ability to transmit raw data.